Okay, so today we're doing a roof beam. These are our notches for the roof rafters. So the main thing here is you want your curve in the beam to the outside, always to the outside. You're looking for the most curve. So if it leans a little bit one way and a lot the other way, you want to go with the most curve to the outside, so like a rainbow to the outside. So this is pretty good curve, and this is a little bit rough on this side where the blade was dull. It hit some knots and deflected there and here and whatever. You know, these are all full of beetle holes, larvae holes from sitting out over winter and shit. So, you know, I'm not worried about that stuff. So anyways, make a template, use it every time. It's always the same. Everything matches because it's made off the same template. You only have to figure it out once, and it's done. And move on to the next one. So yeah, I try to avoid knots near the end, and here you want to be cutting. You know, don't line it all up. Line up all your pockets on knot holes. That's not good for the router. It just wears it out quicker and harder on you and the tools. Cool. So we got no knots here. We got one knot here. So that's pretty good. Yeah, alright, so I'm happy with that. And line your template up to the outside, because there's variation here. It sticks out about a 1/4 inch right there, but that doesn't matter. It's only the outside planes of the building that are important. Siding, roof, that kind of stuff. The inside timbers are just for looks, so it doesn't really matter what they do. Okay, so that's all ready. Alright folks, so set your rotor up. This is a 1 inch, maybe 1 1/4. Anyways, set it up so the bearing's just above the table, so that when you're cutting your first notch, you're only taking about a 1/4 inch, and then you step it up another 1/4 inch, another 1/4 inch, so 3/4 inch into the timber off the template. And then we're going to remove the template, and we go back to our original setting, and it'll cut another 1/4 inch or maybe 3/8. So you'll get your 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch pocket, which is all you need to hold a beam like this. So here we go. It's gonna be loud. This is old school. Just wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, made in America. Back when safety wasn't an issue, but they used real switches, and yeah, never had a problem. Never had a problem with this thing. so 15 degrees is our angle. Lock her down. Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, that was a bad cut there. Whoops. I think we'll be alright. Yeah, I messed up. Cut that one too deep. Anyways, let's come back in here with a handsaw. Okay, this one's dull. Okay, let's try that again. Bingo.